Guys, welcome back. Si Coach Sal from Las Vegas, Nevada. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko po sa inyo paano hanapin kung nasaan ang inyong referral link. Also, dun nyo rin po mahahanap kung nasaan yung tinatawag nating C or Cryptex account number ninyo. Okay? First thing you need to do is click the 3 bars on the top. Click nyo po yung My Referral. I-click po ninyo yung Overview Referral. Okay? Yan. And then, it will take you to the next page. Mag-scroll kayo all the way down to the bottom. Makikita nyo dyan where it says Refer Us and Earn, and then copy the link. Okay, now when you copy the link, this is how you share it to your friends. Okay? Okay, now let me send it to myself. Sal Umawan. Okay? Ipipaste nyo yan. Ganyan. And dyan po makikita din ninyo sa dulong-dulo, sa last end o part ng inyong referral link, may makikita kayo ng letter C and a series of number. Yan po ang tinatawag nating Cryptex account number or C number ninyo. Na yan po ang kakailanganin ng tao na magta-transfer ng Bitcoin or ng pondo sa account ninyo if you are purchasing Bitcoin from them or someone's trying to help you out. I hope this helps. This is Coach Sal from Las Vegas. We'll see you on the next video.
Yes, I think I like it.